This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off geolocation in the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To enable or disable location sharing, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the Permissions section, and in the Permissions section, the very top thing, Location. You want to click on Settings off to the right side of Location. A little dialog box will pop open, and down towards the bottom, it says Block New Requests asking to access your location. If this box is checked, you are blocking access to your geolocation sharing. If it is unchecked, you're allowing location sharing. Then you'll go down to the bottom and you'll click on Save Changes. That is how to enable or disable location sharing in the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.